everyone. We're going to evaluate the definite integral over the interval 0 to 2 pi, and we're going to use substitution with half angle identity. So the first thing I want to do is rewrite this as equals 0 to 2 pi here, and I'm going to substitute this for my half angle identity, which is going to be for sine squared is 1/2 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. But we still have this 1/3, so you want to kind of put that in there like that. And then we have the d theta. So that's your half angle identity. Now, I'll just put half angle. Now what we want to do is go ahead and integrate this. So when you integrate this, you're going to get 1/2. This changes to theta. And then you're going to get the antiderivative cosine is sine. And then you're going to have to write, since this is 2/3 technically, you're going to write 3/2 sine of 2/3 theta. And then you're going to evaluate the integral from 0 to 2 pi. So let's write that out. So we're going to get 1/2. We start with this one, 2 pi minus 3/2 sine, and this is going to end up being 4 pi divided by 3. This, when you substitute that in there, okay, then you're going to get minus, when you plug in 0, sine of 0 is just 0, so this is just going to be 0. So when you simplify, so that's just 0. Now let's simplify this further. You get 1/2 2 pi minus 3/2, and sine of 4 pi over 3 is negative square root of 3 divided by 2. So let's take half of all this. That gives you pi. I'm distributing now. Minus, so there's 2 negatives here, so let's put plus. And this is going to be 8. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Then you have 3 square root of 3. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.